ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗೋಗೈತೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಶೋಕ್.
Ma'am, in the schema diagram, the tables are there, ma'am. Employee, project, department, dependent, and employee project and employee phone number, ma'am. In each table, employee table having primary key, ma'am, and also some other attributes are there, ma'am. In employee ID is the primary key, ma'am, and another the employee project are also having employee ID, ma'am. The employee ID is taken from employee ID to employee, ma'am. The or ma'am, this entity relationship, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Relationship.
ಸ್ಕೀಮಾ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇಯರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Here diagram having 5 tables, ma'am. Employee, department, dependent, project, works on. Then employee having some attributes, ma'am. Relation to related some attributes are there, ma'am. And the employees relation to the works for department and also managers and works on. The project also having some attributes, ma'am. P location, P name, and P number. 4.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
Okay.
2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದೆ, ಬೇರೆಯವರು ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದೆ. ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಎನಿಬಡಿ?
Ma'am, can I show fourth program, ma'am?
Ma'am, I want to show fourth program.
ಹಾ, ತೋರಿಸಿ. one by one.
Shall I share, ma'am?
Anyone. I don't mind anybody. ಬಟ್ ಒಬ್ರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ರು ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿನಾ, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯನಾ? ಎನಿಬಡಿ one can share. ಡೆಡ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ.
I will share, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ. ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ.
Yes, ma'am, I am sharing.
ಹಾ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಅಯ್ಯ, ಅವಾಗ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ನೀನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರ
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾ, ಶುರು ಮಾಡು. ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ 1-4 ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ತೋರ್ಸು. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಹಾ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಹಾ, ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಅದು ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾ,
ಇಮೇಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾ,
ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಈಗ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
Ma'am, this is Srini. I am sharing.
ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ.
Ma'am, screen is visible.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್?
Ma'am, fourth one. Ma'am,
fourth.
tourist place, tourist management. These are inserted table. Tourist visits, email, and tourist places. And then queries. First query, second query, third query, fourth query, and fifth query. That's all.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
Thank you, ma'am.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ. ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಲ್ಯಾಬ್
ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡು ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆಯ್ತು.
These are the tables I have created.
ಹಾ.
And the inserting value, select star from tourist underscore place. And star from tourist. Select star from visits table. Email table, ma'am. These are select state from tourist.
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ.
This is the second query, ma'am. Select star from tourist. Then this is the third query, ma'am. Third query. Two queries are not accepting, ma'am. I did a lot of times.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳು. ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್?
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು?
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, 1 minute ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ.
1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬಂತು.
Visible, ma'am?
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಈಗ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹ್ಮ್
ಇದು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ.
ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ.
ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ್ಲೂ?
ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಹಾ
ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಅದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿನ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಿನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು. Yeah, anybody else? Bhargavi is not able to show. Anybody else can? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕಿಶೋರ್, ಮನೀಷಾ, ನಯನ, ಪವನ್, ರವಿ, ಸುನೀಲ್, Devmala, you have not shown any program. Others who are ready?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah. execution of your program.
No, ma'am. I am showing you third program in last lab, ma'am.
Now you have to show rest of them, no?
Yeah, ma'am. I am trying. Actually, ma'am, program is not working. Some problem is there, ma'am.
Others can explain the explanation. Bhargavi
Explanation.
Banta? Yeah, you see, I've shared the drive, this one Excel sheet in the drive.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody else? Anybody else can show? Who is ready for explanation?
Ma'am,
You have to show me in 10 minutes. Your time will be only till 11:30.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Yes, Rashmi.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, PDF ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಇರೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಥಿಯರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ದಿನ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಫೈನ್.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ ರಶ್ಮಿ.
ಎಸ್
ಅವ್ರ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಥಿಯರಿ
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮೇಕಪ್
ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರೋದೇನು? ಎನಿವನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. You want your marks, then you have to explain. If you don't want your assignment marks, then you please. I'll mark 0 for all your assignment marks. Lab assignment marks will be 0. ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ? ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Anybody else is ready to show? Anybody else is ready to show? ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. PDF ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ, ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ,
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? PDF ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಚೆನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿಮ್ಮ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ program ma'am. First we should create a table called as constituency table ma'am. Cons ID it's a primary key and CS name varchar it's a data type. CS state varchar is also a data type. Number of voters. Describe constituency means we have it in this table we have a structure of a table. Name of the attribute is cons ID, that is a primary key, but it should not become null. Next second table known as the party table ma'am. In party table we have the party ID, that is name as a primary key. P name varchar, P symbol varchar. Describe party. In this table we have a structure of a table called as name of the attribute is PID. It's a primary key, but it should not become null. The third table is the candidate key ma'am. In this candidate table we have a candidate ID called as primary key. Phone number, age and state varchar. But we should refer from the party table and the candidate table ma'am. In this we have name of the attribute candidate ID, which is a primary key, but it should not become null. The fourth table known as contest table ma'am. In this contest we have cons ID known as primary key. We have referred from the constituency table, that is a foreign key, and candidate ID is also a foreign key. Both we have referred from the constituency table and the contest table, and joint candidate ID primary key. We have combined this both ma'am. The name of the attribute is cons ID. It's a primary key, but it should not become null. Fifth table is voter table. In the voter table, we have a voter ID that is called as primary key. V name, varchar, VH, V address. We have referred from the constituency table that is a foreign key, cons ID. We have referred from the candidate table that is referred from the candidate table, candidate ID that is a foreign key, candidate ID number, describe voter. In this, we have a structure of a table. Name of the attribute is VID, that is a primary key, but it should not become null. Here we have inserted the values, insert into constituency value, and present cons ID, cons CS name, CS state, and number of voters. The second name is insert into party values, ampersand PID, ampersand P name, P symbol. Insert into candidate values, candidate ID, phone number, number and age, state, name and PID. Insert into contest value, cons ID and candidate ID. Insert into voter values, VID, VName, VH, V address, cons ID, candidate ID. We all inserted the values, ma'am, here. When we inserted the values, we get the select star from voter that displays the VID, VName, VH, V address, cons ID, candidate ID. These are the values. The first query is list the details of the candidates who are contesting from more than one constituency which are belongs to a different state. In this table, select star from candidate. The condition applies where candidate ID in candidate table we have the candidate ID. First we should select candidate ID from contest table and we should join the constituency on contest.cons ID, constituency.cons ID, and we should group the candidate ID by counting the numbers, and distinct means it deletes the CS states which is greater than 1. First query, ma'am. Hello.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
Yes, ma'am. Next, the second query is displays the state name having maximum number of constituency. We should display the maximum number of constituency in this query. First, we should select CS states from constituency table and we should group by CS state that counts the CS state, and we should select the maximum number of CS state. We should count the state how many it is from constituency table and we should group by the constituency state. It will display maximum number of the CS state, that is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Next, third query is we should create a procedure table in this, and we should insert the tuple into the voter table by checking the voter age. If voter age is at least 18 years old, then insert the tuple into the voter and we should display the not an eligible voter message. In this, the program first instead of creating the table, we should create a procedure in this query, that is voter in the voter table, ID in number, comma age in number. It means in age checking, in age in number we should check. The programs begins here. Age, if age is less than 18 means it will insert the voter value into the VID comma VH values. In this ID comma age means it will check the age value, else it will display the DBMS output dot put line, DBMS output dot line in, and it will end if and end checking, age checking. Then exit age checking it will display and the procedure will be successfully completed. Next, to fourth query, it should display the number of voters in the specified constituency. Means constituency table, it should display the how many voters are there where the constituency name is passed as an argument to the stored procedure. When inserting the values, it should show here. It first display the number of voters in this condition, and select number of voters into VID from constituency table. The condition applies here. Cons ID is equals to constituency ID and row num is equals to 1. DBMS underscore output dot put line total voters, or it will count the how many total voters and exact display count. Then the procedure is successfully completed. If age checking is less than this, the maximum value will be taken here. Insert into voter values, then it will insert whatever we executed, it will insert here. In the fifth program, we should create a trigger table and we should update the count of number of voters to the constituency table. Then we should insert a tuple into the voter table. Create or replace trigger count. After inserting on voter for each row, then we should update the constituency table and we should set the number of voters and we should add the number of voter plus 1 where cons id new dot cons id and end count. Set server output dot n and we should select from the constituency table. Then we should insert the value for the voter table. Then we should update the command select start from constituency. This schema diagram. In schema diagram, we have const ID, name, age, and number of voters. Const ID table. In constituency table, party ID table, we have both the table, const ID and party ID. Same candidate table also. Candidate ID, name, phone number, age, state, PID. In candidate ID, we have const ID. In constant table also, we have constant ID. So we can link here. Then constituency table, both we have const ID and in the constant table also we have constant ID. Both we are linking here. Constituency ID and candidate ID. Wherever constituency table and const ID and contest cont ID, we have to link the both in the table. Ma'am? Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. We'll stop here. We can continue later. Bhargavi, stop, madam, sharing.
Okay, ma'am. So
We'll stop here. We'll continue in the next lab.